This is going to be a very unhinged come to work with me vlog. This is my last day of work before we head off for vacation. So when this is uploaded, we will actually be at Disney World having the time of our lives, hopefully. But I do have work today. So I have 2 microblading retouches, and then I have a lamination appointment, I believe. I just dropped off my little one, and I'm trying to make the most of these last few days before we gotta go. So today I am going to the gym first, and then I have a wax appointment, and then I'll head to work. So yeah, you're coming along with me. So after hitting the gym, I visited my girl Myra at the wax studio. It's such a vibe in there. And then this is my first microblading appointment that I had when I got back to work. And then, my glasses. This is a take 2 or continuation of yesterday's video. As you guys know, it actually became more of an unhinged work day than I anticipated. So my first client, which was a microblading retouch, she actually had to reschedule, which was actually totally fine. It kind of actually helped me out a little bit because there was some things that I also wanted to do at work. So I actually used that time to get those things done, and I filmed some content. That way I have some stuff to post for while I'm away. And then had my second client, my second microblading retouch. It had been 3 years since I had seen her, and her touch-up for her microblade was actually, the fading was not as much as I was anticipating, but we did want to make some minor changes to her shape and everything, so it actually ran a little longer than suspected. So it kind of cut into time for my third client, which was supposed to be a brow lamination. And I hate to have to do this. It's definitely not something that I think anyone wants to do, but the time ran longer, and unfortunately she couldn't wait longer than her allotted time, which I totally understand. And in those situations, you just got to handle it with grace. Luckily, she was able to reschedule and come in today instead, which I am so thankful for, and I had no problem doing. So I'm back at work again today, which is totally fine because I had all morning today to finish packing. We are all ready to go. I am so ready for this vacation. But yeah, so today I am going to come in, and I'm actually going to show you guys a little bit of the lamination process as well. So let's go.